A long time ago, a caveman already realized that wood is awesome. In Slovene language, the word for this is hud. Many years later, two brothers were born, and with them the idea of products called Hudwood.
Welcome, Kickstarter! Thanks to my backers, I have already successfully finished my first Kickstarter project. It was a great experience, but too much work for one person.
So I jumped in for backup, and we made first wooden set of carabiners and wallets for everyday use.
We are surrounded by nature, but are we really connected with it? Why not start feeling it? Look, it's awesome! Hudwood products are extremely light. You will barely feel them. Wallets have a sliding technique of ejecting cards, like unlocking your smartphone. Carabiners can be easily flipped off without having to look for your keys. Your friends will notice them too. Hudwood wallets can also hold cash and coins. And they can also be used as a phone stand. In case you get stressed out, a piece of nature can make you focus on something else.
So if you like touch of wood as we do and design of our product,
we would be more than happy if you support us and share our idea among your friends. Thank you. Feel the nature.
feel Hudwood.